We're going to make some strawberry cream cheese frosting. And I bought these. I got these at Aldi's. These are freeze-dried strawberries. I think they were like $2.79, something like that, maybe $2.59. And they look like this. So I have about like a quarter cup. If you were to put these in a measuring cup, about a quarter cup. And I ground them up in my little small food processor, and we're going to put them in the icing like this, and they will flavor the icing. Now I have before used about like 3 tablespoons of strawberries that I mashed up, and that worked fine. I just had to add a little extra powdered sugar. So the ingredients in this is we're going to put that in there, the strawberries, the freeze-dried strawberries. I'm going to put it in just a little squeeze of lemon, maybe a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon, something like that. A pinch of salt, and here's a package of cream cheese. And another package of cream cheese. And we're going to add, this is all softened. It's been at room temperature for a while. And a stick of butter. And I'm going to mix all this up before I start adding the powdered sugar. I got that mixed up. I'm probably going to use around 4 cups of powdered sugar. Now, this is not a cup measure, it's a half a cup measure. And in the description will be the recipe with all the amounts and everything. I'll even include it in grams if you like. Now that's 2 cups worth. And before I start turning this mixer on, because it will fly everywhere, I kind of try and mix it in some first, like this. And I think that helps it, so it doesn't fly away everywhere. We'll put that on and give it a mix. Okay, I'm going to put in another 4 of these. We'll make 2 more cups. And get this out of the way. As you see, my measuring isn't perfect because you don't really need to be. So that's about 4 cups there. And again, just kind of mix it in a little bit. This recipe makes about 5 cups, which is a little bit over a liter of frosting. And put that back on there and give it a mix. Alright, I did add 1 more half cup, so that is 4.5 cups of confectioner's sugar, and I think it's just right. It could be a little thicker. If you want it a little thicker, just add more sugar. I think it's about right. And that's how I make strawberry cream cheese icing. And thank you so much for watching. And it's delicious.